Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So today we are doing a DDPAI N5 Dual DIY CPL filter. So I have been searching for a CPL filter for the dashcam, but I was not able to find one. So I'm doing a DIY. So for that, we'll be using a step-up ring and a CPL filter. The step-up ring is a 28.5 to 52 mm step-up ring, and this is a 52 mm CPL filter. So after proper measurements, so the step-up ring fits quite snugly into the camera housing, and then we can just screw on the CPL filter onto the step-up ring. So just in order to make it more stable, I will be using some 3M double-sided tape, and we can also adjust the CPL filter for proper reduction of reflections. So let's get it installed in the car. So here I can rotate the CPL filter to get the reflections reduced. So here it is. So you can see the difference. So please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.